are praying concerning the healing of our water bodies and the land. That our water bodies and our land will not be poisoned through this galamsey. Something is going on which we won't recognize it today because we are operating under a veil and a spell.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so. What frame Addo was searching you. Ebusian for Mr. So subscribe ya Mr. No was subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news.
Enti asofo wo ma wi mu. Omo ani a omdi hunu MPP aban. Eno mo ani omdi hunu NDC aban ana. Because NDC aban wo ho a empire no amo refi. Na Addo time no na empire a na nke enye yi. Enso sɛ na musipo ma ni yenti ho de me mo yadwen. Ebi sɛ aban bi wo na galamsey kwaso sɛ ye nsuo ni ye nkwaya na sɔfo dom hu gimu a na ne kwan so ano no. Enti de mo ya na Addo dan Akuffo Addo ebre so ebre mo sɔre kaseti a galamsey wa so de mo ni mountain so no na mo ye nyam ye adwuma. Enti no de mebɔ mu nyina ba so asɔfo a mo ye sa ni nyina. But sir NDC ba ya ne NDC fo no an kasa leaders na atiasi mu ye galamsey a asɔfo no mo aka mo anu atumu no ɛhɔ ɛne hagen no
ɔhu sɛ ye kan asɔfo bi sɛ Pentecost of Penny Apostle Nyamekye and Akuffo Addo ɔkɔ ne nasɔfo ɛkɔ galamsey areas ɛkɔ and Mahama wa criticize Mahama ɛma ayi free those mami ebedi na enti ɔyɛ consistent. The Apostle Nyamekye, the Apostle Nyamekye. Onyina ye, ono mo di na to onyina de former chairman.
Apostle Nyamekye no di na chairman.
Apostle Nyamekye, or your current Church of Pentecost, and the Akuffo Addo. Ono na sofo to anamon. Ekko galamsey areas. Owie no o criticize Akuffo Addo adman no. John Mahama ba ye so no. And no so no, why the same thing. And no ye or ye consistent or Nipa because Nipa there. No matter who is in government. But say a baby baby na asofo ni bi ho no ma he ayi Gideon ma send we bi di cafe no to smami na menye edu baby na say asofo mpanifo ni bi ho no mo a depend on aban a ewo so ene nsem o mo kan asofo Cathedral NDC wo so no and the MPP wo so no o timi ya aka Akuffo Addo se na meja nkwase asem no
nkan
ba ne ye ka kire nkrofo se ne bra ne Julius Debra enjoy campaign e de ama ne bra party NDC nkrofo anya ani patcho Sofo Cathedral ba NDC ba yi da be no what say or criticize Ghana be
never
enti and Akuffo Addo no ye Duncan Williams na o say Archbishop Duncan Williams other eminent clerics call for temporary ban on galamsey.
September 12, 2024.
And then under Mahama, or say let's pray concerning the healing of our water bodies and land, that they would be poisoned through galamsey. Archbishop Duncan Williams and I can see. And now be sa who said
9th August 2026. 9th August.
It's a who said. Dear Nasa, Akuffo Addo also ya yembani galamsey. Mahama how the yembani. Near for healing and sass here any issue, also penny with all due respect. You know, Christopher, and to the passes of penny, you bet you have Bompire said the Chibrim Aye, Brimasa Hiliana. So penny and Cobra said the Aye, would you send Pibon a Behelia and Cobra? Also penny and sass your fun to my frame. What did you say, and Pibo, a bit me reclaiming Sassnana? Eh, also for Ajinasari. And the Akuffo Addo. Some video no have you a series of times. And the Akuffo Addo. No Akuffo insuo China insuo. No Akuffo Canada insuo. No a project on the TV so that's all them. Or say insuo ya dashi a subontilina e Canada gold deposit wo mu ye say and so ye ntu gold wom insuo ni na ya kruji. Owi ano aba mo he Ankobra Ghana Ankobra no leadership nti kani Ankobra aye. And so that's we Duncan on offering that we leadership nti hwenia offering aye ye to galamsey aseni nyina because leadership nyoma mu enne NDC bayi Sofo Penny Ajinasare. But last time I would say Oka Galamsey Asami
for almost 19 months at Kemu.
But one who say Ajinasare was a PowerPoint presentation when I saw the one about Galamsey Ama.
Na moyesa na mo pese mo kire sei ene na bi ho amo ya anu na mama kase na nkorfo ya na obi adidi sofo atemu hwe president Archbishop Duncan William na nkopon se kame ma betie me ni ohu ni man etie ni na ni ye ntem ho a wo ye nyejai ni esufre no dia obaba be sasa ase ni yare na o mai yesi yentie nyame
ene eno no asasna nyame so besa ne yare no enya asase ana Israel fo sahin fo no matutu amana se
me ba me tia wo no so nyankopon de na o kan no eno no ntia se kwese wo di kai kwese asase no wie na wo sa asase no wie a na be frɛ me se me no se no ene me sa ne yare ti se covid ba ye ene de afiri ba bi na aba yenim ana atie se o man no mu otie se asase no so enu na se yesu no fra Awurade a Awurade ba besa sa yare na ma ye ho atoye enye se abanya ba na ne national executive aya galamsey ne constituency ni regional chairman aya galamsey ni MPs aya galamsey na fe asofo hwe na wi aka se yem ko bom paye na ko pone so onim de odi ni bre ya na eno ko na da je sa galamsey ni ho pai bo ho na
ma mi ko bo so Penny Duncan William video no fan chetifo mi wi a so Penny Mensa Addo eso akasimbi na ba bo no so atro ko Duncan Williams say offer Ghana for nyina say Mumpai
Cathedral. Christians beat it up with their own mouth. Others are building things all over. We are so small-minded that we allow politics to blind us. We allow politics to just crush our thinking.
Very sad. Very, very sad. And the saddest part of this National Cathedral propaganda was that when you notice all the Islamic leaders, none use their Islamic platforms to speak against the construction of National Cathedral. The people that used their platform and spoke against the National Cathedral, Christians. And it's very sad that Ghanaians couldn't look at how the NDC fought free education. When Akuffo started it, they have to organize nationwide demonstration. Free education 419. You get it? That they cannot use the taxpayers' money to pay school fees for people whilst Ghanaians are suffering. Then they should pay for the poor and the rich will pay. They have to organize demonstrations. The same thing they did to the National Cathedral. You remember Ghana Card? Ghana Card, Asiodun Ketia came and said, no NDC member should register for Ghana Card. If you are an NDC member and you register for Ghana Card, you are supporting Bawumia, that is NPP card that you are going to register. It took the intervention of Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia to go around and organize town hall meetings to explain the importance of Ghana Card to the extent that Ghana Card and interchange matters comparison came out, because he has to explain. Like the NDC criminalized and made the Ghana Card look so bad that Bawumia has to explain with diagrams. Today, you see how important Ghana Card is. Today, you see how free education is helping. So if the NPP had insisted, you see, and do this National Cathedral, today it would have been an asset to better Ghana. But you see, the NDC criminalized and weaponized it to the extent that NPP gave up. They are well, it's National Cathedral for Christians. And we have Christian pastors leading the crusade that they don't like it. Then they stopped. Today they have stopped it. Have they given you that money to expand your churches? They told us that people have chopped monies. Attorney General has come and he said the National Cathedral Secretariat, all payments that went there were legal. So what was the basis? It was all about propaganda. And Christians fell for it. And today,